Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now, before I get into this guy, his name is Slim. He's from Clarendon and Runway. I am going to tell you guys about the new membership part of the channel. So on that part of the channel, I'm going to go live and I'm going to have super chat and a couple more perks. I am working on it as we speak, and when it's ready, I'm going to let all the subscribers know. So let me know what you think about the membership and give me some ideas, because I know some of y'all would love to see what Countryman look like. Okay? Now let me move on. This guy here, his name is Slim. He's 87 from Clarendon and getting some problems in Clarendon and run at. So when him run left Clarendon, him come a town over Marvaley side of town and Beatrice Crescent. If y'all familiar with Kingston, you know Marvaley and Jewsland is on the Washington Boulevard along Mullines Road. If you really know all of that area, you know Bay Farm Road, Walton Park Road is right there. And you can catch Beatrice Crescent from that side, Bay Farm side, or you can catch it from Walton side or Jewsland side. So the whole place kind of link up. And then you have Cockburn Pin right on the edge, Olympic Way, Tower Hill Villa, all of that. 77 Lane. Okay. So this youth, him runway from Clarendon and come a town in a Marvaley. So when he drop over Marvaley side of town now, he up on Beatrice Crescent. While in there Beatrice Crescent, some things jump off with the man them. Follow me, I tell them about it. So, remember now, Slim get hot. And then him run to a pen. From pen, you have a youth where they are Marvaley. And the youth get at a Marvaley. And they are Beatrice Crescent. So Slim end up there Beatrice Crescent with the youth. See? So now the youth from Beatrice, one a theme soldier, rise up a strap upon a youth named Goddess. Him rise up the strap on Goddess. Follow me now. So after the youth rise the gun upon Goddess, the gun stick, Slim there and Slim pull out theme thing and wet up the youth. And when he wet up the youth drop out. But here what happened to Slim now. Him run and leave him shirt. So when he leave him shirt, the youth grandmother will get slapped with, pick up the shirt and start work on him and start Obeah him straight up. So now the chaos, follow me the chaos, Slim run, left him shirt, the grandmother pick up the shirt and start work Obeah on Slim shirt. Now every year around the youth will get slapped with memorial, Slim body swell up. You see how Marvaley is? Him body end up swell up. So we hear upon the street say the grandmother look $1 million. Forget with a Slim. Obeah him. You see what I say? I tell you no what happened to Slim. Follow me. The grandmother, get couple million to do the thing, the word on the street. And every year at the memorial, Slim, get swell up. And him, get sick, went to the hospital, and died in the hospital. That's what happened to this young man on the screen in front of you. Granny send him a Obeah bullet. You understand? A lot of people think it's not around, but that's what happened to this young man. Him leave Clarendon, go Cockburn Pen, end up in Beatrice Crescent, I run with the youth them. You understand? Him and Goddess them in a things. Goddess them come from Marvaley, them get hot. Him slap with the youth, run leave him shirt in the chaos. Granny pick it up. Granny get the couple millions and Obeah him and him dead. So that's a lesson to all the gangsters. Now, a lot of the gangsters them work with Obeah. Cause Rooksy from Maxfield, them find a whole heap of Obeah thing in a female house one time. So, enough people think Obeah not there. Well, Slim, get a Obeah bullet. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And let me know what you think about the premium channel. And I do have the Dexter Daps and Seaview thing coming up. So stay tuned. Peace out.